How to fix Microsoft Store not working. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, what you have to do is to simply click on this window tab and go for settings. Once you are here, you have to simply go for update and security. Once it loads up, you have to go for troubleshoot. Click on it, and if you can't find the applications yet, you have to go for additional troubleshooters. Once it open, you have to simply scroll down to Windows Store Apps, click on it and run as administrator, and simply click on this run the troubleshooter, and it will find any problem with your application and you can further resolve that issue. So I hope this video will help you out. So this is how to fix Microsoft Store not opening.